In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Optifine for Minecraft 1.21.5. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Minecraft launcher like you normally would. From here, you want to make sure that Minecraft Java Edition is selected, and underneath the version selector, you want to go ahead and select on latest release, which of course will be Minecraft 1.21.5. But once you're done with that, go ahead and press on play. Alright guys, so we now loaded into Minecraft 1.21.5, and we need to do this step before we actually go ahead and install Optifine. So once you're done with that, you can go ahead and close out of it. The next thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser. For this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome, and all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and just type in Optifine download just like so. So go ahead and just look that up, and then you want to go ahead and select on the official Optifine.net website. So here it is, guys. So all we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on show all versions. Now, just to be transparent, I'm actually recording this video before Optifine actually does update to Minecraft 1.21.5. However, the process will be the exact same thing. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to do it for Minecraft 1.21.4, but just remember, it is going to be the exact same process whenever you do download 1.21.5. So if you're watching this video like a couple days or maybe even a couple weeks after the update does come out, then you should see that Minecraft 1.21.5 will be an option. However, because I'm recording this video early, that's not an option yet. However, it will basically be the exact same process that I'm going to be doing right now. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on the version of Minecraft you're trying to get Optifine for. Then go ahead and press on download just like so. From here, you want to go ahead and just wait a little bit, then go to the top right and just press on this button that does a skip. And once you're done with that, you will now be able to download Optifine. So go ahead and just press on download, and then there you go. It will now be installed into our device. Now, for clarity purposes, I'm actually going to go ahead and drag and drop the Optifine download to my desktop just for clarity purposes. Now, I recommend that you guys do this because it will make things significantly faster. You guys could always find your Optifine file in your file explorer and then looking underneath downloads. But anyways, guys, once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and open up a new tab. So then you just want to go ahead and look up Java 21 download. Then you want to go ahead and select on the link from oracle.com. It should look something like this. And then you want to go ahead and scroll down. Make sure that JDK21 is actually selected. And underneath operating systems, you want to go ahead and pick on which operating system you're on. So we have an option for Linux, Mac OS, or Windows. So me personally, I'm on a Windows, so I would go ahead and select on Windows. Then I would go ahead and install the x64 installer. And we need to download Java, especially if you're trying to run like .jar files or basically anything Minecraft related. Java is essential. So it's really important that you guys actually download this. However, if you're running into any issues, do not worry. Because what you need to do is you need to open up another tab and then just look up jarfix download. Then go to this website over here, and then it is going to bring you to a page that does look like this. And basically, the jarfix is an executable command that will attempt to repair any jar files that are actually like broken on your device. So you should only do this if you're running into issues when you're downloading Java. If your Java is running perfectly smoothly, then you don't need to do this step. However, if you are running into issues, then this is definitely something that you guys can go ahead and look into. But anyways, guys, once you went ahead and downloaded Optifine and also downloaded Java, we can go ahead and proceed to the next steps. So what you want to do is you want to look for the Optifine file that we did download, which is right over here. Then you want to go ahead and right click on it, press on open with, and if we do have Java on our device, which we already do, you should see the option that does say Java TM platform SE binary. So go ahead and just press on that just like so. Then go ahead and press on install. And now just wait a little bit. If we did everything correctly, it will now say that Optifine is successfully installed. So let's go ahead and press on OK. And then let's go ahead and just open up the Minecraft launcher. Alright guys, so now that we're back in the Minecraft launcher, you will notice that we should be able to get the Optifine installation as an option over here. And if for whatever reason you do not see it, do not worry. All you want to do is you want to go to the top menu, select on installations, and where it says versions, you want to make sure that modded is actually turned on, because Optifine is actually considered a modded version of Minecraft. So it's really important that you guys actually turn that box on. But anyways, guys, what you want to do from here is you just want to go ahead and just press on play. Make sure that Optifine is actually selected, then go ahead and press on play one more time. Alright guys, so here we are. You'll notice that it will say Minecraft 1.21.4 and then it will say modded, and from here we can go ahead and load into a world. Alright boys, so here we are in a Minecraft world, and you will notice that our game will run significantly smoother, and Optifine in general is just a really great mod, and you're also able to go ahead and add shaders to it right over here. So you can just go ahead and just press on video settings, and then you'll notice that there will be an option that does say shaders. So if you guys want me to do a tutorial showing you guys how to do shaders, let me know in the comment section down below. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe as we are trying to reach 10,000 subscribers. I will see you in the next tutorial.